Hello, Charlie here again. Today I have a Qashqai 2013 model. I'm going to show you how to reset oil service light on this one. I done the service. Now I'm going to show how to do the service light. When ignition on, it says service due now. Once we done the service, we need to reset that light. I'm going to show you. It's very easy. First, switch on the ignition, and after that, this is the application button. In here, see the application, and this side the trip button. We have to use it the right hand, this button, and need to press and turn. Right, when you press and turn, you come into this menu section. Then after that, you have to turn again. If it doesn't matter, turn left or right. Go to the maintenance. Once you go to the maintenance, press enter. Then after that, again little bit turn this button to the right hand side. Then it's coming to the service. Then again press enter. Then it's go little bit turn again. It said reset. When you press reset, it's coming to the 18,500 miles. Then again go back, press enter, again put it up, press enter, again exit this section. Right, now it's coming to the normal screen. Then after that, switch off, take it out the key, and put it back and start the car. Now they checked the oil level and they said it's okay, and the service light disappeared. Thanks for watching. That's the way we have to reset service light on Nissan Qashqai 2013 model. Thank you.